Hey everyone, it's Kat. So I just have a Louis Vuitton unboxing today. I picked this up because I put my name down for a specific item in March and I was told that it was discontinued and that there wasn't guarantee that it'll even come in or I'll even receive it. But long and behold, I got a call yesterday that this item came in and I was like, oh my goodness, no way. So I went ahead and picked this bad boy up today, if you can see. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing it. Okay, so here it is in a dust bag. Oh, I'm so excited, guys, to reveal my new Speedy 30 in the empreinte leather. Oops. In the color noir, or the black shade. Here it is up close. Here's the clochette with the keys inside. The lock is like absolutely stunning, guys. There's the lock and the hardware, so gorgeous. Oh my god. This bag is like amazing, and here are the feet. Okay. I did ask the SA to stuff it for me. Oh my god, she's so lovely. She even put the straps inside a dust bag. Oh, she is so beautiful. And then she she put the stuffing in another dust bag. She is so lovely. The service is just amazing. So there's more stuffing in there. So that was so nice of her. And here it is. So the interior is like a gorgeous grey color, if you can see that. It's like pinstriped as well with black, and it has a zipper here along the back. Still has the blue sticker on it, if you can see. Sorry, my nails are disgusting. Oh my god, I can't breathe. And then on the other side it just has the two patch pockets. So that's my iPhone 6 Plus inside. Oh my goodness. And I'm so happy to report that it is made in France, if you can see that. And the D-ring is on the inside. Oops. Just right there. I'm so happy with it, guys. Here is the straps. I love the details on the straps because it's just more like you can feel the weight, the detail. So it says Louis Vuitton there, and it's just like the normal bandolier straps with the 3 pieces as well. So that's what it looks like with the straps connected. Oh my god, I am still in awe. I can't even believe that I own this now, because I've been looking for one for the longest time. I was like umming and ahhing if I wanted to get the Noir or the Infinity. But if I was to get the Infinity, it would have to be pre-loved, and it's still pretty pricey. But, and on top of that, I would have to pay tax as well. So this is it, guys. This is her. I'm pretty happy with the embossing as well. It is pretty deep. So yeah, if you babes want to see what I can fit inside, I'm sure there's a lot on YouTube, but if you guys want to see what can fit inside this gorgeous bag, let me know down below. Yeah, thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!